Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve data interpretation with Grammarly beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Grammarly website. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up with your email or using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard with various options. Click on New Document to start a new project. Paste or type your data analysis or report into the document area. Grammarly will automatically analyze your text for grammar, punctuation, and clarity. Take a moment to review the suggestions Grammarly provides on the right sidebar. Focus on any highlighted issues in your writing. For each suggestion, you can choose to accept or ignore it. Pay particular attention to clarity suggestions as they can enhance data interpretation. Use Grammarly's tone detector feature to ensure your writing is appropriate for your audience. Consider the readability score shown in the sidebar. Aim for a score that suits your target demographic. As you make revisions, Grammarly will update its suggestions in real time. If your data involves complex terminology, ensure you verify any changes suggested by Grammarly. After completing your revisions, read through your document one last time to ensure it flows logically. When satisfied, you can download your document in various formats or share it directly. By following these steps, you'll improve your data interpretation skills effectively with Grammarly. Remember, regular practice with these tools will enhance your writing and analytical abilities over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.